Hello all, you're welcome to this onboarding of PancakeSwap account creation and how to effectively navigate in your account and manage it effectively. So this is the URL, the site for the PancakeSwap account creation. So the next thing after logging into the site, the next thing is to create an account if you don't have one. So when creating an account, you input your name, your last name, your email address, username and password, and you create. So after creating, it will take you to an interface where it will ask you to log in. But since I've created my account, I'll just go to login and put in my login details and click on user login. Wait for the app to load and it will take us to this interface. So if it takes you to this interface, the next thing you're going to do is to connect your wallet. So you connect your wallet, can decide to put your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, anyone. But I connected my Binance wallet. So after connecting your wallet, it will reflect the wallet that you've connected here. Then let's go back. So you connect your wallet afterward. Now we click on this icon and see what is there. So the connected wallet API and all of it will be shown here. You can connect your your wallet, your Binance credential, or just import your wallet, your Trust wallet, or anything to the bot. Now this trade configuration, you have to configure your trade. Now this one you have to set it up by clicking on update and set it up the way you want it. Now this configuration is just like the one on trader bots app. So you can choose anyone here, lowest price, highest price, last price and all that. So if anyone you want to configure it to, but this one trading volume total USD today is better. And you choose the top, the number of token that you want it to display, which is the top trading token pairs. You want them to come into the symbol, the trading symbol. If it is pairs of 10, pairs of 25, pairs of 100, you fetch it out by clicking here. Okay, I think this button is not working. So here now you can put the time, the trade time, the stop loss, where it will stop losing. If you're trading and you incur some losses, you want it to stop, you set a particular amount that you want it to stop. Trading period, you choose your trading period, you want it to stop a trading period. Then of course the amount that you can, the amount you want the bot to trade with, the profits you want it to be taken out after trading, you set it. Okay, let's put that 100. Risk tolerance, put your percentage of risk tolerance and also your maximum candlestick and these covariant factors. Then you press save. Wait for the system to load a bit before it will take you to an interface where it will show save. Okay, we've saved it. So that is that. Now we are done with this Binance Trade, you are going to Pancake Trade. Now, this Pancake Trade, you can configure it so that you'll be able to trade effectively on it. So these are the interface. This interface is very user friendly and easy to navigate. And yes, there is auto trade. You can choose any of the auto trade you want to use, that range trading or momentum trading or DCA trading or grid trading, any type of trading you want to use. If you are very good in trading, you know all those terms. And then you can, this one you can manually um stop the trading, and there is also auto save a trade is available, and you can manually stop the trading. This icon here is the live market price of different token. That's the live market. And that is that about the pancake trading bot. Now sniper is another icon again. Sniper is buying small coins from pre-market sales, like coins, that tokens that are not listed yet, they are in the pre-market, they are about to be listed, so you can buy and predict the market price. If you predict that the market price is going to go up, you can snipe some bits of their tokens, buy them and keep them here. Not necessarily here. When you snap them from here, when you snap them in this particular place, it will enter your wallet, and by the time the those tokens are listed, you can sell it off and you get your fund. So that is how the sniper works. So you can put the maximum amount you want to snipe. Before you snipe, you have to put money in your BNB, and then you put the targeted token address you want to snipe, and you click on snipe token. So that's how the sniper works. So this PCL, they are different tokens that Magic Wars have, that are in the pre-market. Some have liquidity already. So these are our own different tokens that we have. And you can decide to trade with any of them after buying and all that and all that. So that is it. The bot is self-explanatory. You log in and be able to navigate through it. When you go through it, you'll be able to navigate through it because it's self-explanatory. And that's that. So thank you all for watching, and then if you have any question, you can drop on the comment section, and also you find anything difficult, just don't hesitate to reach out to me. All right, bye for now. Bye.